Hi, my name's John Boyce. I'm a construction project manager for RES UK in Ireland. I'm based here at our Curryfree Wind Farm in Londonderry, Northern Ireland. My main role is based on site here, taking a project after it's received planning consent, developing those initial plans and planning requirements into construction design and specification. The wind farm here at Curryfree consists of 6 Nordex 2.5 megawatt turbines. The full site will be a 15 megawatt wind farm, which will generate clean green electricity for approximately 9,500 homes. Our main role on site in the construction team here is to ensure that the projects are delivered on time, on budget, and to the highest safety, quality and environmental standards. Environment is obviously a major emphasis on our projects here. We take the initial environmental implications that have came through our planning consents, develop those into a construction environmental plan and ensure that that's adhered to on site. We monitor this through the use of independent parties who would, for example, take water quality sampling in local water courses. We have an archaeologist here when we're excavating. We have an ecologist on site on regular intervals checking our impact on the local ecology. At RES we work very hard with the local community to ensure that the impact of construction activities are kept to a minimum. We set up a number of communication channels through site-specific websites, letter and leaflet drops and community liaisons to ensure that local residents are kept abreast of construction activities and their progress. In particular at Curryfree, we've worked at length with the local primary school to ensure that the impact of construction activities have been kept to a minimum. We've altered the route of stone deliveries to ensure that it doesn't pass the school during pick-up and drop-off times, and during concrete pours we've supplied additional staff at the school to control the flow of traffic. As part of RES policies and procedures, we try to use local contractors where possible. For example, on Curryfree Wind Farm we've used W&H Alexander for our civil engineering and ancillary works.
I'm Ian Alexander, Director, W&H Alexander. Our company's been in the construction trade for over 40 years now, and we've started to work with RES from 1993 on their projects in Northern Ireland.
The Curryfree project come at a much needed time given the current downturn in the construction activity, especially in Northern Ireland. We're able to maintain our current level of workforce and plant. We're also able to provide a fair bit of employment there to local suppliers and subcontractors in and around the wind farm area.
This job in particular was a big job for us, as there's a lot of rock to come out on the basis, and a lot of roads were made, but it went very well for us and we're very pleased with the end product. So it leaves it very rewarding at the end of a job when everybody's happy.